Hello YouTube, this is a bike check on my Mongoose Mode 540. So, let's just start. Now, on the left I have a DK Shuko grip. On the right, it's stock grip. I took the one brake line off because someone broke it when I was going to skate park. I spray painted that part. Spray painted Hyper front rim. Recycled Hero PC pedals, DK seat, non-pivotal, and that was basically my bike check. Soon I will have Kenda contact tires that are the white ones, and I'll probably start making how-tos and maybe a BMX and scooter edit if my cameraman was not in trouble all the time. But yeah, and I'm just gonna answer some questions that certain people had. If you're wondering the weight of this bike, I have no idea what the weight of this bike is, but if you get this bike originally, the weight is exactly 27 pounds. Now, I'm guessing that my bike is somewhat lighter than 27 pounds because of the parts that I have on it, because I know that this seat is most definitely lighter than my original Mongoose seat. Where is that? Hold on. I just had it. This is the original Mongoose seat. And there goes that seat. This thing's like twice as big. So yeah, obviously that one's lighter. Plastic pedals, which is obviously lighter, but yeah. Original weight, 27 pounds. Steel frame, steel handlebars, steel fork. Tubular chromoly cranks, 3-piece cranks. 29.5 gear ratio in the front. It is 3/8 inch axle. In the back, same thing, 3/8 inch. Hub sound. Yep. That's basically it. So, comment, rate, subscribe, any questions that you have about this bike, and anything else. Bye.